wrapped up in your name. Your jacket still hangs by the stair, but it's been weeks since you were there.
If you wanna make a Taylor style Christmas beat, go with me till we glow. I write your name into the frost, counting the memories we lost.
I should have told you how I felt, not just wrapped it in a wish. Now all I've got are stories in a stocking I won't stitch. So I'm writing snowfall letters on windows you won't see. Every word a frozen whisper from the ghost you left in me. And if Christmas finds you wondering where a little hope could be, just know I'm here remembering what we were supposed to be. They're singing carols in the street, but every harmony just cuts too deep. You promised me a New Year's kiss. Now silence is my only gift. Maybe someday you'll come back when the ice starts to melt, and maybe then this song will play like something else. But tonight I write snowfall letters like it's still you and me. Every flake a little story of a love we set free. And if Christmas finds you lonely under some forgotten tree, just know I'm still remembering what we were supposed to be.